Hey everybody, welcome back. Now I'm ready to glue my boss's sheetings in there, but I want to show you something first. Guess who got a haircut yesterday? Sammy! Ain't she pretty? Lexi Pooh. They both got haircuts yesterday. They know they're pretty when they got haircuts. It's funny. They're little divas. Alright. Enough about Sammy. Okay, now I want to get a little bit of resin on my wood. Because I scraped, that's where I want that. That's the right amount of resin. And if I just put this wood on here dry, it will, afraid it'll suck too much of the resin out of my cloth. And might even leave me some dry spots, delamination. I don't want none of that. Kind of hard to do. I don't want to get a bunch on here, people. I'm not trying to gob it. I just want to get it covered. I'll get a good glue joint. Know what I mean there, Bill? No, I'm not going to use a vacuum bag on this, people. I'm here to show you guys just the average Joe can do this stuff without all that vacuum bag and equipment. You know, this is stuff just the average Joe can do. You know, all your vacuum bagging is really going to do is it's going to push it down a little bit tighter, which you know is always good. And it's going to get, you know, a little bit more resin out of there. But, you know, when I was doing that bag and I was having trouble with it pulling too much of the resin out. And even dry spots. And I just didn't have very good luck with that bag. And so, you know, I get good results with just peel ply. You know, now, oh yeah. Let's see, I hope I glued the right side. Now we're just going to put that in place. Work that down in there one more time. It's going to be hot today, people. This stuff's going to set up quick. I'll be able to trim it this afternoon. Put it together tonight. Pull it out the mold tomorrow. Do it all over again. Don't want to make two. Now, we just put my sandbags that I made up on there. I'm going to set that over here on the floor. Gotta keep it out of the way while I do the other one. And we're just going to weight her down. Get one right there. Okie dokie. I could probably put another piece right there now. No, I don't really think it's all that necessary. No, I think I can scratch it. Yeah, we'll about it. Now, we just let that set up. Well, it'll take me a quick 10-minute break. Before I get on these other parts. And get this other one laid up. I think I'm going to take this one. I'll just let it sit there for a little bit. Wait about 10 minutes, move my sandbags around a little bit. Get sure I'm backed off my edge now. Okay, we're good there. That's good, people. What do you think? Think it's going to make me a nice firm elevator? I think it will. I think she looks good, man. Alright, we're going to sit down for a minute. Man, I got a lot to do. I got a lot to do the next week. Next 2 weeks. But we'll get her. Little bits at a time. And get this elevator done today. I got all my parts laid up. They're ready to trim. Get my other elevator laid up tomorrow. Then tomorrow will be Friday. I'm going to have to get a rudder made. And my front canards. That's what I'm going to do this weekend. Rudder and front canards. Then next week I can just focus on body work and painting. Did my wing tips last night. It was a little on the rough side. I got them filled last night. I figured I'll just fill them before I glue them on. It'll make it a little easier. And there ain't too much more filling left on that wing. And that's about it, people. I'm going to keep on trucking. I'm going to get this freight train cruising down that hill. You know I will. Just got to think what all I need to do and plan it out and keep to my plan, and we'll be fine. So I got a whole week. It ain't going to take me a day to spray it. So that's still going to leave me a week to do my body work. Which I ain't got a whole lot left. I gotta go in there and fix some of them panel lines. And a little bit of filling, not much at all. Sand it, wet sand that whole thing and squirt it with some paint. Be looking good then, folks. Get my elevators on there, get them wings mounted, make sure they fit. They'll fit, I ain't worried about it. We already test fit that one. And that was the thick wing. We got one wing that's just a freckle thick.